Good morning all you lovely dotters out there, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to introduce you to the dotting station. This is something that is going to change your world. Do you ever have problems with back and neck pain when diamond dotting? Struggled with having an A4 Lightpad just being too small and you feel you need to buy bigger sizes? What about working on the far areas and worried about damaging your picture in the front? This dotting station solves 8 problems with diamond dotting. That means 8 benefits with one product, and I just want to run through all of them with you. This is the dotting station that is 50 centimeters wide. It has got a slot here in the back of the front where you slide in your light pad. This means you only need one A4 light pad for all your dotting needs. All you do is you move the light pad to where you need it for your picture, because it covers your whole working area. Here, with a side angle, I show you that with your dotting picture on this dotting station, and you find your comfortable spot in your chair, that you are actually dotting with a straight back and a straight neck, which alleviates back and neck problems. By using 4 sets of magnets, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can place and position your diamond dotting to where it is comfortable for you to dot at any time. And then, with the help of the light pad at the back, you can adjust the brightness so that you can read your letters easier. Just to show you how extremely versatile this is, here I have placed a 50 by 65 centimeter diamond dot onto the stand. Even though it hangs over, it is still okay. While you'll be busy dotting on this edge on the stand, this edge might overhang a bit, but it's not too much that the picture will bend. As you progress with your picture and you move it up, the rounding on the top of the stand supports your picture nicely with a smooth round curve in order to keep your dots safe and in the right place as you finish your picture. And with the curve at the bottom of the stand and with your stand at the edge of the table, your picture that has not been dotted yet can safely hang in front of you with also no damage being caused. A few other added extra benefits: if you're dotting a picture of this size, you usually need a large table space for it. Now, with this, it uses less table space, which means you are able to do a longer, bigger picture than what you are used to in the same amount of space. And last but not least, with the diamond station not being too high, you are still able to watch TV while dotting. So if you like what you see with the dotting station, hop on over to our website. I will leave the link to the dotting station down at the bottom. And if you do decide you're going to take one, which is absolutely fantastic, there will be another link which will take you to the instruction video of how to use the dotting station, so that you don't struggle at all when you get this lovely, beneficial dotting station. Thanks for tuning in. Please feel free to check out my channel. I have a lot of how-to videos for diamond dotting, and I hope to see you all back soon. Have a lovely dotting day, ladies.